Welcome to a new chapter in personalization with XtremeSkins. Today, we're unboxing potential, unlocking style, and unleashing protection for your Samsung S24. Meet your device's new best friend. But before we get cozy, let's ensure a clean start. A quick wipe down with our alcohol prep pad. Now for the main event. Align the skin with your S24 Plus, taking it slow, ensuring every cutout, every corner is in line. And voila! Whether it's the boldness of brushed titanium, the depth of matte black, the clarity of clear matte, or the tranquility of azure blue, each skin tells a story.